Hello there you awesome bunch, it's Liquid here giving you a warm welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. Now for today's video we're swapping the simulation world for some real life content, and in September last year during my visit to Scarborough, I travelled south to visit Newark Air Museum. Now it's a museum I've wanted to visit for quite some time, as they have a fantastic collection of aircraft, the staff are incredibly friendly, and generally it's just a brilliant place to spend some time. So without further ado, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy this one, and it's a big thanks to you as always for watching. So here is the mighty MiG-23 Flogger then. Legendary Soviet swing wing fighter. Pretty awesome to have the MiG-23 right beside a MiG-27 as well. One of the reasons I was so excited about coming here is basically to get a glimpse of these machines. As far as I'm aware, there is nowhere else in the UK that actually has one of these on display. And of course we're getting the MiG-23 in DCS. It's an awesome looking machine.